Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to the Lambo. We have an update. So I decided after a lot of, figuring out stuff, to go ahead and put the exhaust on the Lambo. So they had to custom make it. It took forever. It came, then we had to install it. There was issues, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, we have a situation. So I'm going to drive the car. This is my first drive in it. Obviously you guys know I don't when I'm driving, I'm not one of those YouTubers that likes to have this on that on. I'm very careful with driving. I have kids, so sorry. I'm gonna work my way up to figuring out how to put all videos in cars and all that, but right now I'm as basic as it comes. But we got the new exhaust on. I heard it when we turned it on. I hear such a big difference already. I will get you guys a sound note by the end of this, but we have a brand new exhaust system on it. You guys should see, I put the image of the old exhaust and then the new exhaust even in the picture, so you guys will see that. But super excited. That was the last piece to the puzzle for the car. I've done the sound system, I've upgraded. I have a touchscreen, I have Apple Play, I have Google Play. We did steering racks. I mean, I have literally put in, because this is it. This was my dream car. So as much as everyone's like, oh, get a new car, get it better than this, get a Huracan, get this, it's just something about this car, the rawness of this car, that I love, and I'm like, I gotta keep it going. So I'm gonna take care of it as long as I can until I decide to pass this on to someone else so they can enjoy it. But yes, guys, we have a new sound system, we have the new touchscreen, we have a whole bunch of stuff. This car is 2022, and the new exhaust was the final piece to the puzzle. So I'm gonna give it my first drive. I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling. I'm gonna give you guys some sound notes before we head out. Quick update, we are going to be giving you some Jaguar. So I'm bringing back my 2001 S-Type Jaguar to life, bringing that back to life. So you guys will hear some of that stuff. So we're just still fixing a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna do a video with that car soon. The Lambo, you guys know it's New York, so it's gonna get cold, so I'll see what I can do in reference to Lamborghini content. If you guys want more Lamborghini content, I will get out in the cold for you, but in the meantime, I'm gonna be putting this down. Just want to let you guys know we got a new exhaust system on here, and this video is literally just to let you guys know it and hear it. Okay, now Lamborghini owners, you're gonna know the difference right away. If you're not a Lamborghini owner, you'll probably just think it's loud. I'm not sure, but people who own this car would understand what I mean when I just feel like the car is perfect, but the exhaust, the original exhaust in it is good. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but it just needed a little bit more of a kick when you decide to open it up, and that's all that was missing. But this one, I'm expecting a bigger kick, so we're gonna get the ball rolling with this. We'll hit you guys back in a few. So yeah, let's get to it, and next time I see you guys, it'll be a sound note, and that's how we're gonna end the video. But like, share, subscribe, guys. Looking forward to bringing more content, exhaust systems in here. If you guys want more details or another breakdown of the whole exhaust and stuff, just put something in the comments. I'll make a video on that for anybody who's interested in doing this to Gallardo. Let me know, and I'll give you guys some of the do's and don'ts. I might do a video on that, do's and don'ts of putting a brand new exhaust system on your car. I will definitely do a video on that, because you could really jack your car up if you do it wrong. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.